Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. My name is Saifullah. I welcome you all to the platform of Javed Publisher. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 5 के कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़ के चैप्टर नंबर 3 MS वर्ड लेआउट एंड व्यूज़ के एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। With the help of dash tool, we can type text in more than one column. Options are pages, multi-columns, text box, या none of these. The right option is option B, multi-columns. Dash is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. Option A, page orientation. Option B, page size, columns, या none of these. The right option is page orientation. Dash is or are pre-formatted header options in MS Word. Blank, blank with 3 columns, Austen, yeah, all of these. The right option is all of these. To insert a page number at the bottom of the pages, click on Insert, Page Number and Dash. Current position, page margins, top of page, yeah, bottom of page. The right option is the bottom of page. Dash view is used to create and edit pages as they will appear online when opened in browser. Option A, draft. Option B, outline. Option C, web layout. या option D, print layout. The right option is web layout. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words, and the given words are read mode, letter, portrait, या 1. By default, page margin in the document is set to 1. By default, page orientation is set to dash in the document, portrait. By default, page size is dash in MS Word 2016. Letter. Dash is used to review a document. Read mode. Question number 3. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is page margin in a document? A page margin is a blank white space between the text and the edge of the page on all sides. Question number 2. What is multi-columns text? Give examples. You must have seen the newspapers. They contain the text in multi-columns. The text is written in more than one column on the same page instead of single columns as you see the text in your normal MS Word document. This is called multi-columns setting text. Question 3. What do you understand by hyperlinks in MS Word? Hyperlinks to a text or picture can provide access to a file, document or website directly from your document. Question 4. What is header and footer? Header and footer are the content which appear at the top and the bottom margin of every page in the document. It can be an image, text, page number, date, company name, etc. Name the different ways in which a document can be viewed. A document can be viewed in print layout, read mode, web layout, outline view, print preview, and draft. Our next question is write the steps of the following on your notebook. To set 2 columns in the document, click on the layout tab. To set 2 columns in the document, on the layout tab in page setup group, click on the drop down arrow of columns button. Click on the desired number 2 of columns from the list. Next question is write the steps to create a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, click on Insert tab. Now click on Address button. To create a hyperlink, click on Insert tab and then click on Address button. After entering your URL, click on OK button. Our next question is to write the steps of inserting page number at the bottom of the page. The steps to insert page numbers are on the Insert tab in the header and footer section. Click on the page number button. A pull down list appears. Hover the mouse over on an option. Open sub-menu, for example, bottom of pages. Click on the styles of page number. The page number is inserted on every page of the document. To insert a special character in the document, click on the Special Characters tab. Double-click on the required special character to insert it in the document, or select the character, click on Insert button. तो ये थी हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 3 MS वर्ड लेआउट एंड व्यूज़ की एक्सरसाइज। आप इन तमाम फीचर्स को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करें अपने MS वर्ड और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को इन तमाम पेज मार्जिन्स के साथ, साइजेस के साथ और मुख्तलिफ कॉलम्स अप्लाई करके इसकी बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि आपका ये सारा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो सके। मैं मिलूंगा आपसे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।